Yo,
Yo, what's up, bro? Let me try to get into this short. Let me get into this short. Let me get into it short. But what's up, man? How's everything?
everything good. I'm chilling.
Chilling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I should get this target hit. We're definitely going down. For whatever reason, Jolt is always a bearish event. This shit is always bearish, yo. So um I've already gotten in the short. Should have took that shit on the Nasdaq as per usual, but you know what? I'm gonna protect myself on this short though. It's not really the best entry, and I really don't want to deal with any of the foolishness right now. It's not the best entry. Now, if I was in up here, I would let it ride, but that's too far down. And if the Nasdaq, if the ES literally just stopped me out just to drop, all right. So what you looking at this morning, man? What's your outlook? What you thinking?
I don't think I want to take the long here, but I'm not sure yet. I gotta see it play out. I don't know if they're done. Let's see. We got anything else? Any other news?
Well, I want to point this out to you. They broke that trend line to the downside and they used it as resistance, and that's exactly where they sold it. So it's funny how what we talked about last night, we drew some trend lines. We drew for both the Nasdaq and the ES. They both used the trend lines as resistance, and they sold right off of it. Both instruments did.
Those be no real news today. Jolts.
And so 42, huh? Yeah, we got jolts coming up at 9. So we'll see how the market reacts to that. Kind of have an idea, but obviously we're gonna let the market play out. Obviously. I mean, that's obviously not. That's obviously not the right move.
This off the
These guys are losers, dude. Hold on, are you streaming right now or no?
No, no, I'm not streaming up. I ain't had time to set it up.
Oh, okay. I just wanted to make sure because
Wanted to try to catch the move.
you're good, bro. I was trying to look for your stream so I can have it up as well. That's it. Okay. Man, I'm gonna get these footprint charts down, man, because I feel like I'm I feel like mm, I feel like they're the key to this. Yeah, this shit looks like it's about to jump off a cliff. Yeah, this looks like it's about to jump off a cliff. All right, so let's just see, because obviously I would have looked at this as soon as it got up into this area right here last night. We got all this selling. Ah man, ah man, ah man. Mm. I mean, technically, wouldn't that be it? I mean, that's all I'm looking for is to see traders trapped and they gotta buy their way out of their positions. Mm. Damn it, damn it. Oh my god. Damn, get that. Mm.
Took that ES short.
No, she stopped me out of it at break even +1. Like the nasty witch she is. No, but it wasn't the best entry. That's why I was like, well, um, yeah, it's not the best one. But that follow up short. So if I got in at 60, yeah, I would have got my target hit. Mm. Yeah, I guess we just have to wait until like 9 o'clock and see what happens. We just gotta wait. Sit on our hands on this one, I guess. Guess I should have took that long on Nasdaq. Hmm. Hmm. The real question is, so I'm thinking that probably like around like 200, 205, they're gonna want to short this. What do you think? Was this from yesterday? Yeah,
220.
220.
They diverged, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, so the ES is definitely about to sell off.
Been,
The ES is about to sell
been
off.
tricky, man. Yeah, then shoot, they might sell it off here then, because she'll pull NQ down with her freaking
Mhm.
punk jerk move.
Oh, you're long? Uh,
Oh, I got stopped out of my long.
okay, so I'm thinking that they're gonna hold 200, so I'll try for the short here. I'll try for the short. I'm taking the short. Uh, I do like the short on the ES as well. I'll try for the short on the ES as well. If I can get a good decent entry. 54. Um, if they come back and get me in right here, because it looks like they want to drop this thing right here. At least it looks like it. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I missed it on the ES. I'm not gonna try to short the bottom on the ES. I'm gonna reduce my risk on the Nasdaq just in case. Mm, Did this go down there? 107. Mm, okay. So I'll watch and see how this candle closes. I think it's probably, you know what? Fine. All right, fine. It probably might actually dump here, but I'll probably wait until the news to come out to see, to catch any volatility and then try to re-enter short. Because the bulls are definitely going to keep trying. I'm gonna drop above that moving average right there. Mm. Oh. Well, there it goes. There goes the ES go. ES, ES, ES. Mm. Okay. Man. What? Huh. Huh. So hmm. Huh. Hmm.
What?
Hmm. So I'm looking at my other chart. At least for the ES. I guess we'll see what happens at 9 o'clock. So I'm thinking that could we possibly see a bounce after price retest about 650, 648, and we can see a move back all the way up here to 700?
Wait, say that again.
I'm sorry, not 700. My bad, not 700. For the ES, 670, 670. My bad. I'm looking at the ES chart right now. I'm just looking at the structure. I mean, it looks bearish, yeah, but I have a measured move at 650. I have the 200 EMA at 647 on my higher time frame chart, or my medium time frame chart. It's at 647. I got a measured move at 650. Mm, decisions. Yeah, I definitely agree. Griff can trade, definitely. Uh, we'll see what happens. But I think if we do see that bounce at 650, 648, 660 was that level last night. 660 was that area where they found support. And so they'll probably try to turn that into resistance. Yo, congratulations on that, man. On that long on the NQ. Mm. So if you would have to say who's comfortable right now? Are the Bears comfortable or are the Bulls comfortable right now? Who's comfortable?
I think the Bulls about to step in. Maybe get to VWAP on ES. They could come in at 650. Because we did just get a little tap into this. They could like 650, 49 area. But oh shoot, we got 10 minutes
Yeah.
till 9 o'clock.
He said Griffin Trade says shorting all-time highs is just no fun. Yeah. And Alfred says went long on the red at the open and sweated a little. Yeah, Jolson 10 minutes. Yep. And you talking about all-time highs on the ES? Yeah, hmm. And Griff can trade. I mean, even though Even though we really don't say it, and it's blasphemy. I mean, shit, any profits is good profits, man. As long as you stay green. As long as you stay green. It doesn't matter how big or small it is. Yeah, I hate days like these, man. I really hate it because it obviously the Bears are in control, but what makes it a gamble somewhat is that the Bulls can just come in at any moment. And if you're short, I mean, it's going to be a stressful short. But if you were patient and held strong, you'll get your target. But the Bulls definitely does make this short more stressful than it needs to be.
Of course.
They dropped it on the
Always
Nasdaq.
a stressful short.
You said what? Mm,
Oh, in Q. No, wait.
bro, I wouldn't get trapped. I don't know, man. My bias is like super short right now, man. Or not my bias, but the structure just looks very bearish. Well, I guess I ain't gonna lie about it. Yep, I do got a bearish bias, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, the Bulls have definitely shown that they can get real regarded. I mean, the one thing that I've noticed right now is that all the EMAs are hugging up against each other, and that's not good for Bulls at all. When the EMAs are close, that's not good. That means that that means that the Bears were allowed to catch up when these EMAs start hugging each other, and vice versa. Depending on which side of the market it means the opposite side is now catching up. I do want to short this now, but I think I want to be responsible and wait for the algo.
Yes, is looking. That's crazy. They're like completely flipped. These charts.
Yeah.
ES is looking in a downtrend. NQ looking like it's trying to push up
Mm-hmm.
in an uptrend.
Yeah, Joseph definitely been historically bearish. You can count on one hand how many times Joseph has not been bearish, dude. Like you can literally count on one hand. But we'll see, man. We'll definitely see. I mean, the narrative is different now. I mean, we'll see what happens, man, in 5 minutes. We'll see. The narrative is definitely different. Money is no longer money anymore. The government has now fully stepped into. I mean, it's been that way, but now the Fed is behind it now as well with deficit spending. So as long as there's workers, there's always going to be a source of revenue to pay off whatever debt. Or it can be used as collateral. I think that's a better and more accurate statement. It can be used as collateral. Not because nobody really wants to pay off their debts. Yep, that's as long as yes. That's what keeps the game going. That definitely what keeps the game going. Kind of like what Muhammad said. with his analogy about the barber and giving him $1 instead of a penny. He says, why do you keep doing that? So we can continue to play the game. That's all it is. Just want to keep the game going for as long as possible. And your favorite TV show is called a forever middle, because we all know that a story is made up with a beginning, middle, and end. A TV show that they don't ever really want to get to the end. They want to have a forever middle, to where it's always middle story, middle, 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 middle. Like The Simpsons. I think The Simpsons is a great example. A forever middle, no end. We'll see. Like I said, I think this looks like a short, man. This looks like a short. This looks like this could break down and we could see a move down. Hmm. Hmm. All right, let me look at the higher time frame chart and okay. Hmm. All right, so is this trying to trap bears? Is this trying to trap bulls? Which one? Who's getting trapped here? Who's about to get clapped here? Well, yeah,
What
I
does
got
the
it.
footprint say?
Dude, I don't know, man. That shit, I don't know.
Who's trying to get trapped here?
No, I'll
Oh,
wait, man. I'll wait. Ugh. Yeah, like the Young and the Restless, man. Shit, my grandma was watching that shit. That shit's still on. Like that thing is still on. Mm. They're old and tired now. They're old and tired. They're old and tired. That's funny. Oh, that's funny. All right.
okay, we got like 30 seconds. Oh, they could be.
All right, we'll see.
Rough.
Man, if they drop this thing, man, my heart would be broken because I was short. All right, let's see. Let's see who's about to get clapped.
Oh,
We got a lot of buying aggression and no movement. Mm. Mm. Well, there's a lot of buying. I'll give it that. There's a lot of buying, but there's no moving. They're definitely not moving this thing on the footprint chart. They're definitely buying at this area. Uh, the question is, will the bulls get trapped, or is this actual buying? Okay.
Right. Buying, but like barely any movement.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of a scary tale, if you ask me.
Let's see what happens here. The sellers are ganging up on the buyers right now.
Damn, I should have
No,
you.
don't get trapped. Don't get trapped. I'm taking a short. I think we shorting.
Taking a short.
I'm taking a short.
Uh, Bitcoin, Coinbase. It has a lot of nah. Don't do it, bro. Wait, nah, don't do it.
All right, so this is what I'll do. If it gets back up into this range, if we see a strong move back up into this range and no rejection, I'll close it short.
Oh, you took it. Oh shoot,
I took it.
took it on NQ.
You know it, baby.
Dang, power to you, bro. ES
Mm.
long, but I'm looking at NQ like, man, why did I decide to trade ES? I should have been at NQ.
Ah, shit. Oh man, I meant to. Ah, damn it. I was too slow on the NQ on the ES. All right, I think I'm more confident in my short now. More confident. Man, I missed it on the ES. Fuck, I missed it. Damn it. All right, let's see. Damn, I think I missed it on the ES. I think I missed it. Baby, come back. Because they rejected it right at 60, and I knew it. Fuck. No, 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 no. No, baby, come back. Come back, baby, come back. Fill me. Fill me. No.
You could blame it all on me.
I was too slow on the draw. I was too slow. All right. I was right. And I can't live without you. Baby, please come back. Fill my order. Fill it. Mm. But I definitely will keep a tight stop though. Like the Bulls can definitely come back in and take this. They definitely can. But that rejection at 60 right there, that kind of tells me that okay. Because 60 was obviously super support last night for whatever reason. And you can see that they're trying to sell it here. Hmm. I'll give this like I said, I'm not gonna give it too much risk. I'm not gonna give it too much. I mean, the higher time frame chart does say that, man, this shit looks like it wants to jump off a cliff. Mm, we'll see what happens. Mm.
Damn, NQ. Damn. Damn. See, this times like this, it's like, why aren't you in NQ? Why are you in ES? She barely moving, and I could have got 20 points already on NQ. But ES is at VWAP.
Let's see what happens.
gay movement, but it's not as wild swinging as NQ. But we gotta be careful here, actually. Probably should have cut.
Okay. Like I said, I'm not going to give it too much. Probably give it 3 points. I'll give it 3 points to work out. All right, look at Nasdaq. All right, so if Nasdaq bounces from here, then I'll get out. I'll get out of this with a small loss. Because I like the fact that it rejected from this range. I like that. I mean, there's a whole lot of buying, but there's not a whole lot of movement. Oh yeah, we didn't even look at the. I didn't even look at the Joes. My bad. Go ahead.
I was saying NQ hit a spot where it made sense to sell off at.
Yeah. That's what I was looking for. I should have just got in like literally like right here at the bottom of that range, like I felt like I should have, but
But I may be able to.
I mean, if you can get a big giant red candle close it underneath that range right here, then the short is good. And I might can actually get away with probably like getting more profits in this one as well. But there's a lot of buy orders down here at 48.50 though. So I definitely have to be careful. I mean, there's a bunch of orders down here, man. It's a bunch. We'll see what happens. All right, if we can get this thing to close underneath this range, we good, baby. We good. Doctor, I need help. What is your problem? Well, when I go long when I go long on the market for too long, I just have this desire to short the market. I can't help it. I need help. I have to short this market.
She's not gonna complete the move. She's not gonna complete the upside move.
Where were you looking for on the upside? On the ES? Where were you looking for?
Looking for the breakout past VWAP, but
I think we gotta tap 50 because, dude, if you look at Bookmap, man, there's so many orders down there at 45, 50. I think that's where the market wants to go, bro. It wants to go down there and tap that liquidity before it leaves. Up there goes that close underneath that range. Oh, never mind. Yeah. All right. We just need a strong close underneath this range. All right, so the bulls bought it at VWAP and the 200 on the Nasdaq, but we kind of know that don't really mean nothing on that. If it bounces at VWAP perfectly, that's a trap. We know that. We know that. We know that by now. That's just a trap. All right. but I probably still reduce my risk on this one, though, just in case it ain't a trap. 9 times out of 10, it's a trap. But
Here, let's see.
mm, I like how the market always finds my
Man,
break even.
I need to switch back to NQ because I could have had my points by now and been literally could have been done. ES is I gotta catch her at the right time. This is crazy.
Right time, right position. Yeah.
Right? Think I should take
Shoot.
they bounced it there.
They bounced it. They bounced it on the ES as well.
Doesn't give you hope though. She goes gone.
So who's more comfortable right now, the Bulls or the Bears? Mm,
I want to too high up. I kind of want to exit my position and buy in lower, but now it's like I don't know.
Well,
Now I don't know.
you're trading the ES. You can rest assured that if it's outside of structure, the best option would be to get in at a lower price because technically the Bulls won't hold it unless it's at the edges. Now we with the ES, you kind of have to kind of go with the flow. Yeah, we had this big move up, and last night we talked about this little pennant that it formed, and that it was going to break out to one side or the other. It chose to break out on the to the downside. So on the ES, not necessarily the Nasdaq, but the ES, because it's so liquid, the market likes to get double bottoms for sure. 9 times out of 10, the market will go for that double bottom before we see that real move up to the upside because it's so liquid. And people are got orders sitting right here that they want to fill. And if you look at Bookmap, they got all their orders right here in this little area right here. And I think the ES wants to
Only
touch that.
bearish thesis.
Yeah, I know.
Thesis on the I'm probably gonna switch to NQ though.
But then at the same time, look at Nasdaq holding that freaking she holding 200, man. So
Holding
she
her
holding 200.
ground.
Yeah, she's holding 200. If you see a break below 200, I'm good. If they break out, then I'm gonna have to close this shit for a loss. We'll see. We'll see.
Come on, keep buying Meta.
You know what's interesting? I'm surprised we didn't get a breakout already. Maybe it's gearing up for it. But the Jolts opening came in way better than expected. Way better than expected. So we'll see.
Look at
Came in way better than expected.
this the fibs. That's the 50%. 50%, 38, 38 and 23.
And what you gonna do, Nasdaq?
Yeah, ES is looking bearish to continue the downtrend. Thought they were gonna break out, but
Okay. All right. So
the only
I,
that NQ can try and push ES up with her, but we know she's never in charge.
Come on, Jolts, historically bearish. Come on, Jolts, historically bearish. We need you right now. We need you. At least I need you.
Bearish, but I'm bullish for once. Historically bearish, but I decided to take the long. I seriously think, let's see. Oh, damn, there's NQ. Oh, damn. Yeah, I think, okay.
All right, I'm not taking shorts on the NQ anymore. I'm not taking shorts on NQ.
Give me break even. Give me break even and I'll get out of this. Unless you're going to pump. If you want to pump, I'll take that too. What you trying to do, ES? What you trying to do?
Yeah, I know better than
Go mode. Look at different time frames so I can get skewed in this. Okay, that's all right. The hourly, oh no, the hourly is terrible on ES. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that shit was like a jumping off a cliff. I know. So I was like, I'm taking a short on ES, but the Nasdaq is looking bullish as F though. Like, God. I'm gonna stop taking shorts on the Nasdaq, man. I'm not taking any more shorts on the Nasdaq. Yo. But the ES though.
Dang. Dang. I was wondering what you were talking about. I was like, what is he talking about? And I look at that. Yeah. Yeah, you're right. Dang. She won't even give me break even right now.
But you do got a chance at 650 though. Like, I mean, you got too many orders on Bookmap. It looks like, man, okay, let me get out this Nasdaq short, man, well, this is what I'll do. I'll protect myself on this one. Okay, never mind. All right. All right, never mind.
Oh, no, let me go. No. Dang, man, you couldn't give me one more chance. Oh no.
Yeah, I'm not taking no more. All right, let me put this in my journal, man. I'm not taking any more shorts on the Nasdaq, and I mean that shit. This shit is stressful too. I mean that shit. I'm not taking no more shorts on the Nasdaq. I'll take all my shorts on the ES.
Break.
I do need to watch 50 though. I do need to watch this. I'm gonna still have my I'm gonna have my target down here, but I will trail it.
Gave myself to 55. Up. And stopped. All right. Yeah, that hourly on ES is looking crazy. Oh my gosh. You know what? Bump all that. NQ. Hey, big head. Where you been?
There we go, baby. There we go. Hey, who's a few? Who's a few? There we go, baby. Jokes historically bearish.
Hey, Q, I didn't mean to betray you like that. ES who? Nah, you're the only girl for me.
But I definitely need to start paying. Let me do this though.
Who's the?
There we go, baby. Hey, we needed them stops, baby. We needed them. But this is my last time shorting the Nasdaq, and I ain't shorting her no more, man. That's too stressful, man. Actually, I might just take my 30 points. I might just take it and just focus short in the ES like I'm supposed to.
Oh, damn.
Look at Bitcoin, man. Look at that. Bitcoin has had some beautiful bearish price action, man, to the downside. Beautiful bearish price action, man. And I'm missing every single bit of it. All right, so we'll see. It's getting close on the ES, man. It's getting close. It's going to tap into that liquidity for sure. And then we'll see what happens. Actually, I'm going to get out of this on Nasdaq. I'm not shorting Nasdaq anymore. This actually might work, but I'm just going to focus on the ES right now. I can't focus on both because the Nasdaq will bounce and then she'll hurt my feelings. All right, so I mean, we got the dump. The question is, I mean, will we take out the liquidity on Bookmap? I mean, we should. We should. We should.
So Bookmap wants 50, huh? Did they? Shoot.
Like 50, 48. Looks like they got liquidity going down from 50 to 45. I'll just keep my stop right here just in case. Because I mean, let me look at this real quick. ES, if you can be so merciful and allow me to like really analyze the charts, that would be so great. That would be great. Because we could see a bounce at 50. We could see a bounce at 47. Hmm.
Yeah.
I don't know. They kept dropping on Nasdaq. And she probably did. She probably hurt my feelings. It's fine.
She's trying to go down, but the bulls keep buying back up.
Yeah, that's why I was like, yeah, I ain't short Nasdaq no more. That's just too stressful. Shit, I don't got to go to the gym no more. Shit's just too stressful for no damn reason.
Minute now. You
Yes, if you allow me. Yeah, we could see a bounce here at 50, man. Okay. We could see one. All right, so let's look at this, man. So I mean, 10 points would be at 50. Shit, 10 points would be at 50. Let's look at this footprint chart real quick and look at it and see what the bulls are doing right now. Because the Bears, I mean, the Bears are super selling it right now. And it's touching this thing on the hourly chart. Damn it. Don't make me choose, ES. Don't make me choose. All right, so let me look at this, man. All right. If I see some trap bears in a green candle, shit.
There we go, baby. Nah, let me shut up before she pump up 30 points.
You talking about the Nasdaq?
Yeah, the Nasdaq. You gotta be silent. You can't enjoy it until after you get out the position. She'll reverse on you in a heartbeat, man. She cold like that.
Yep. She cold.
Be quiet. Shut up. Till you hit my targets. I probably should take one off here at this golden zone. I probably should.
All right. I'm gonna trail it. I'm trailing.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I'm
take.
trailing.
Okay, all right. I took one off. I took one off, people. I took one off. Let me be. I think it goes lower, but let me be somewhat responsible. This is a different version of me. I'm trying to be a little bit more responsible,
Mm-hmm.
less risky.
All right.
And now look, I should have held through the golden zone. Should have held through.
Mm-hmm. There we go,
How
baby.
much? How much? How much? How much though? How much? How much? How much?
I should have kept my short on
Can I
Nasdaq.
get a little bit? Can I get a little bit more? A little bit more. 60. Oh shoot.
Okay,
60.
I'm out. I'm out, baby. I'm out, baby. I'm out. I'm out.
Damn.
All right, man. Now the question is, do we see the bounce here? That's the question, because I mean, they literally tapped into this area on Bookmap. Do we see the bounce is the question. Do we see the bounce here? And if we do see a bounce, how far does it go? Because I mean, if you look at the Bookmap chart, I mean, they buying it. Not the Bookmap chart, the Bookmap chart. I mean, we got a bunch of selling balances right here. They're buying it. But shit, there we go.
The orders came in at 50 or at 40. Okay, 48. Sell it again. Sell off at VWAP again. uh,
Okay. All right, so we caught that, man. We caught that short, man. Well, we can add another bearish day to the books. Jolts was for whatever reason, no matter what, how good the news is, how bad it is, they're just gonna short Jolts for whatever reason, man. For whatever reason. And this is why I'm just going to short the ES. Like I said, I probably might focus more on the ES because I'm comfortable just trading size with the ES. I'm more comfortable with it on the Nasdaq. I mean, if I'm long and strong, I'll always add to the Nasdaq as it goes up. But shorting the Nasdaq, even though you're up about like what 60 points, 60, 80 points, this shit is stressful, man, and for no reason. All right, so the question is, do they hold it here on the ES, man? That's the question. Do they hold it? Do they hold or do they fold?
know when to hold them, know when to fold them. We'll push that up to 65. What's 3 points, right?
Probably 45 or probably be 45 would probably be the area where, yeah, okay. And 45 is a high. No wonder why people are trying to get in at 45. We'll see what happens at 45. We'll see.
you overshooting so much? Is that a sign that ES is about to go? Is
Hmm.
that a sign in you? Or nah? This is point and freaking A. Q comes over here.
You said I fell asleep on the buy button.
Uh, short VWAP again, guys. Short it again. Short it again. Short it again.
Yeah, I definitely agree. That's why, dude, the buys on Nasdaq are better. I'm not stressing myself out like that anymore. I'm not shorting the Nasdaq ever again. Ever again.
500-point day has something to say about that.
Actually, no, I beat that. I beat that record. I think my highest now is like 520, 550 or something like that. I beat the 500 record, and of course it was on stream, baby. So I beat that 500-point record. It didn't feel right because it was off stream. It didn't feel right, so I had to do it again to let everybody know it wasn't a fluke. Nah, but yeah, I beat that record, and now I'm trying to get that 1,000-point day. Shit, that would take some planning. The stars would have to align for that one, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure. Hey, what's up, Gangway? What's up?
What's the pullback? Gold. I'm at 170.
I just don't like how there's no follow through on the ES. I think this goes lower, bro. I think it goes lower. We'll see what happens at 45 at S4. I think S4 actually might be that area. Because I mean, they still got a lot of orders here on the ES. So yeah. I see that you bought from that golden zone, or did you sell to the golden zone?
I got clapped at the golden zone. I should have got out at the golden zone.
What? You're supposed to be doing the clapping at the golden zone.
Fine, NQ, fine. Damn it, fine.
Yeah, I've been flipped. Dude, she's not going short, man. Oh man, they actually went long. Oh. He's supposed to be doing a clap at the song, not the other way around. Oh man, that is so funny. Not the situation, but he's like, you got clapped at the golden song.
That is funny though. Because you're right. Supposed to be doing the clapping. Here I am, getting clapped at the golden zone. Just thinking in my head, like, okay, they got just 5 more points. 5 more points, NQ. That's all I was really looking for. Like, dang.
Okay, 45 is a golden zone on ES. Okay. All right, I'm going long and strong at ES on 45. We'll see what happens there.
Short changing me. How many points is this up? Ah, shoot.
So, I wonder. Should I go short and target the golden zone?
No. 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 Should have said fine at VWAP. We'd be can't watch. Can't watch. Can't watch anymore. Okay. Where is the upside potential after that little push? Rejected there. Rejected that 200, basically to 23%.
No way. She's like, dude, you're not gonna get it.
40.
No. Yes, don't do it. Don't do it. I meant to get you when you was up there. I meant to get it when it was up there.
What is that? No, that's the 200. Right?
Man, damn it.
Check that. They love selling off at that. Oh, damn. I guess they gave me plenty of opportunity. Okay, my bad. We hit DLL on this for no reason. My damn shenanigans in ES.
Oh, damn, dude.
My shenanigans in ES kind of cost me.
Oh, you was heavy in ES? But ES, if you kind of give me break even plus like 1 or something, I promise I won't even look at the Nasdaq for like a week.
For a week.
I mean, at this point, I mean, either this shit gonna drop or it's gonna pop. I did short the bottom like a fool. Because I mean, this thing can easily try to come back and to like 57, but
Not enough. Not enough. Not clapped enough. Wait, they do give you a DLL, right?
what are you talking about?
Yeah, they do. Okay, never mind. I'm straight. They sold off the 200. What's the difference between starter plus and starter besides the consistency?
The consistency is up front with the plus and not on the funded side. It's a 50% consistency rule though.
So it's 50% on the funded or no?
There's no consistency
on the funded.
No consistency on the funded.
Huh.
Which is good because I guess it really depends on what you want as a trader. If you can stay within a defined range, then I would take the cheaper price with the extra drawdown. If you kind of want more freedom on the funded side to make and lose however much you want, then paying the extra $40 is going to be, I guess, the better option. And that's what you want. I only bought the starter plus because it was 25% off and they were selling it for $90. Basically the same price as the other one. Basically.
Oh, they still got that?
It might be over. It was like a Black Friday, Cyber Monday deal. Mm.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean, this is not the best entry. That's why I'm kind of babysitting this. I wish I got in right here where I was trying to, but it dropped before I got my order. I need to have this thing on like a hotkey or something. I'm gonna look into that if that's possible. But the market is definitely respecting the golden zones. You can see that they came back and they sold it from the golden zone. And 45 is exactly where I was looking at the goal because they got it on Bookmap. So that kind of gives me more confidence in this area. You got S4 right here. So we could see 42, because everybody's going to be getting in at 45. So we probably could see, them run it a little bit. And then we can probably see a move back up to about like 55, 60 or something like that. We can possibly see that. I mean, I don't think they go all the way down to 35. I don't think, I mean, is a day. I mean, the question is the market really going to super sell off today? Are we really going to see a sell off? Or are we going to see the market kind of rebound a little bit? I mean, that's the question.
uh, done.
Yeah, it looks like they got some orders at 40 and 50 and shit. The fuck? Mm. We'll see, man. There's a lot of sell imbalances, like I said, but at the same time, I mean, this could be the bears possibly, potentially getting trapped.
Oh, you short both instruments?
Nah, I've already made my declaration. I'm only shorting the ES.
Uh,
I ain't shorting the Nasdaq no more.
okay. Okay.
I ain't shorting the Nasdaq no more.
Like, even when I'm up 500 points, it's still stressful.
Cause the bull's gonna come back out of nowhere, gain weight.
They're gonna push it at least 200. And you're gonna be mad giving up 200 points.
Hmm. I might as well just wait for the longs on the Nasdaq because, I mean, the longs are just better suited on the Nasdaq. The ES is a more balanced market. You can make money both ways. You just gotta trade the structure. You gotta trade the structure. That's it. And I'm not gonna sit here and say that I'm confident in longs right now because I'm not. I am not confident in longs. I see that we got a lot of liquidity here on the ES, but uh, mm. And there's like an ocean of liquidity right here at 47.50. Damn. So if they break through this, it's gonna be nasty. It's gonna be nasty. Like, I mean, they're already buying it. They buying it already. Let me protect myself here on the ES. Ain't no point going negative because this is definitely a gamble at these lows. It's definitely a gamble. Yeah, you see all that liquidity he's sitting here at 45? Okay. I'm more confident now. You got order flow confirmation, golden zone confirmation, and book map confirmation, all saying 45. So if we don't see a reversal, we're 9 times out of 10, we're going to probably see a bounce. Let me look at the Nasdaq, making sure she ain't gonna fall through the ceiling. Okay, so we could see, like, if the ES finds support, then probably 152 is probably at the bottom of this range is where the Nasdaq will find support. If the ES finds support, they buying this thing, man. Nice. Come on, Bear, sell this thing. Keep selling. These bulls was talking about how weak y'all was out here. Show them boys. Show them boys how we do.
They are.
Dude, no. Keep going and hit my. Like I said, once I get to like 4 or 5 points, I mean, once I see like a nice red candle, I'm gonna start trailing this thing because this thing can bounce at any point.
Oh,
Damn. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Griffin trade. I'm looking. No, 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 no. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Ah, shit. The Nasdaq looks like it kind of somewhat low key found support. Shit. Fuck. Ah, damn. Where did it get to? It got to 47. Come on, Nas. Yeah, she can do better than that. Get the 45. Get the 45. You can do better than that. Anyway, all in all, I mean, what depending on what happens, I got my stop above the 21 EMA because if they break above this thing, then they good. And I wish I had my entry all the way up here where I was trying to get in short at.
clock.
Fuck. You said what?
Oh, really? They
Mm-mm.
over here reversing.
Damn it. Gotta be
Didn't
quicker than
break over
that.
didn't break just yet. Didn't break just yet.
No.
Probably gearing up for that. 10 o'clock is usually bullish, ain't it?
10 o'clock is usually the reversal of whatever the current trend is.
Oh, that's RIP then.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Shit.
This one's higher, one's lower. They're over here playing tug of war with each other right now.
Well, okay. So if I got the entry I wanted to get in at, At 54, it got to 47. So what is that? About 7 points. But this is literally the bottom right here. Yes, if you do it, she's gonna do it, man. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
Oh, you got out? Oh, you got stopped
I
out.
got stopped out. She's gonna do it. Damn it. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. Oh my God. She's gonna do it. She's gonna do it. That she's gonna do it. No. No, I don't deserve this.
She's
No.
gonna do it.
No. No.
Dude, you could
No.
go lower than that, bro.
Ah. This is what being cute gets you. Stopped out. God. Okay, well, I guess I have to wait for the long now. Gotta wait for the long. God. All right, man. Look at all this selling right here, man. Look at all that selling. Damn it. Oh my God.
She gonna pop up and ah.
Mm.
All right, where do we buy at?
Well,
Where do we
45,
buy
I guess. I guess that's the next area. Probably like 43 is probably where they really bounce it at. 43.
you? I shorted the golden zone for you again, just to prove a point.
Mm. Yeah, it's probably like 45, bro. Probably 45 is definitely going to be the area where we see it.
Talking about on
ES, yeah, probably like 45 or something.
ES, FES.
What? That's for me. What did ES do to you?
He's a
uh,
hoe.
uh,
I, I thought about I thought about it too. I thought about it, but I didn't want to go through no nasty pullback.
dude, yeah, this is why I'm not ever shorting the Nasdaq ever again. Dude, she came back to my break even, dude, and then dropped. No way. Or hold on. Hold on. When did I short it? Okay, yeah. She came back to my break even and dropped. Nah, I'm not ever shorting the Nasdaq ever again. I'll just rather long. Okay, so it looks like she's trying to bounce at 47, but you know you want that liquidity at 45, so stop playing.
Wait, this is it. No way, this is it.
Nah, that can't be it, bro. We would have saw price run away from it if this was a real. You gotta trust in the golden zone. The golden zone says 45. You gotta trust in it. Damn it. All right. Hmm. So we know that eventually that we're going to see a bounce, a big bounce, because as this thing is trending down, buyers are buying it as it goes down. Damn, look at all that buying, dude. Damn, look at all that buying.
They gonna do me like the same way again. Hey, be with the shoot is crazy. Oh, they kind of diverge right now, but dang. It's like right here, I think 85.
I mean, I guess that would be. I mean, I guess it really wouldn't be that crazy, but we'll see what happens. Nah, I think this is just to get the buyers trapped. They want 45. They want 45. Hopefully they want 45 and they'll bounce it at 45. Unbourboned. Unbourboned by what has been. So,
Unburdened
no
by what
bourbon.
has been.
No, I'm looking at I got your stream up and in the next video next it says unbourboned by what has been
Oh,
bourboned.
is that what you went on that rant?
Yeah, when she was completely drunk, yeah. uh
She, she sounded drunk, looked drunk.
hmm She was drunk. I don't know why her team let her do that. They probably was like, yeah, just let her out, hang her out to dry. She'll never be a presidential candidate ever again after this. Let her do what she wants, I guess. But she was obviously drunk. It's crazy that they did that to her. Ah, shit. Looks like, did they front run 45? Are they going to front run it for real like that?
Oh,
Nah. They're going to come back for it.
oh, oh. The NQ is just stretching so far away from in comparison to ES.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. If I ever say I'm going short on the Nasdaq, just tell me to get some help. Because, dude, there's no reason why if I was still in this short, if I didn't close it, to be this damn stressed out. I'm not even a trade anymore, and it's like, dude, this thing hit my break even like 10 times already.
Well, I'm the living example.
This thing hit my break even about 10 times already, dude.
Oh my gosh. I mean, this probably would be yeah, I can't even trust them anymore. We don't trust you. We don't trust you. Dang, I can't even trust them no more. That's crazy. Drop it here though.
Yeah, we could possibly see it. We could, but it's been bouncing off of some levels though. It's definitely been bouncing because it came back.
This is
You
done
saw where it
too.
bounced at right here. That breakout, they came back and bought the retest on the Nasdaq. Let me just draw it out so y'all guys can see it. They came back and bounced it. Man, damn it. And bought the retest of the breaker structure. Damn it.
Was that the okay.
Yeah, we could see the drop right here.
What it has been. The clock.
Ah, shit, I didn't mean to do that. Unbourboned by what it's been. Unbourboned. No, don't do this. Don't do it. No.
Well, ES still needs to break that trend, that downward trend. She needs to get righteously. Damn! What the?
What happened?
Yo, a mean stop run. Mean stop run.
Damn, dude.
Damn it.
Look, man, I ain't never shorting the Nasdaq ever again, man. I ain't shorting her, dude. That is crazy. I would have been in profit just for me to be in a negative. No, it didn't hit none of my targets neither. Yo, nah. I'm long in the Nasdaq from here on out. Damn, look at the ES go, man. Fuck. All right.
Yeah.
Damn. All right. All right. So the question is, all right. So the question is, you know what, man? All right. So the momentum is obviously to the upside. I was going to sell this, but I'm kind of too late on this. That we can still see 45 because, well, let me actually take this off of this chart. So let me copy it. So I'm gonna actually duplicate this chart, and I guess I'll have a chart for both the Nasdaq and the ES with the golden zones on it. I'll do both, but I'm gonna have to take off everything else off of this though, like all the indicators and stuff like that, because we're not gonna do both. Obviously leave the EMAs on there, the pivots on there, order flow VWAPs on there. Just the order flow I'll probably have to take off on this one. The order flow. And just leave everything else on here. Mm, 8:30. Look at this real quick.
After you get this whole run up, now it's like back in the middle for ES.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think they want 54 on the ES because as much as we love the Nasdaq, the ES does trade in a specific way. They want that liquidity. All right, 750.
Now they want 40. Now they gonna run it or sell off of that.
All right, so let's see. Maybe I'm gonna take the trend indicator off as well. Take the trend indicator off this one, so we can just have just like the just the levels on this.
All right, third time's the charm. Third time's the charm.
Not gonna lie, man. Not gonna lie. 'Cause, I mean, it would be 10 points, wouldn't it? You know what, man? Let's go for it, baby. Let's go for it. They want that liquidity. They want that liquidity. They want it.
They want it where? The below?
No, I'm talking about like on the ES. They want that liquidity. The Bears, they definitely want that liquidity down there. Or the market. Let me look at the Nasdaq again real quick. Take this off of this chart.
Short this. I've been shorting and getting crushed. Well, I mean, I literally been shorting the bottom though. Or do you wait for?
Mm,
He looks like they trying to be on a run, but we got some supply up here. Take it serious. See if they're gonna respect it or not. Then it's like, dang, you missing out on them. I don't know. Go back to scalping.
A red candle here would confirm my bias. A green candle will hurt my feelings.
Trying to hold on. Go back to the roots.
Yeah, dude. Honestly, I'm surprised you move away from it. I mean, shit. I mean, I think the only thing that The only thing that you would have to add to your game is just holding into target. That's it. The only thing I had to add to my game is adding size and scaling in at the right spot and taking profits. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to risk all these points. Obviously, I'm not going to risk that. All right, so I'm in at 55.
See, I would be in this momentum normally, but it's going into supply. So I'm like, okay, what are we gonna do here? Gonna respect the supply like you did earlier, or push through it? It's looking strong.
I will say that there's a lot of buying. The buyers are definitely trying to push past this without being successful here. Okay. I still think they want that 45. The question is, I mean, yeah, they could still want 45, but I don't know when they want 45. That's why I'm being super cautious here. And she dancing around my break even too. She dancing around my break even. Okay. So what are you gonna do, ES? What are you gonna do? You got trap participants at 56. So if price does tap 56, I do think that we will see an initial move down of people trying to getting out at break even. But if we can see a nasty red candle here, then we good. We good for that 45 liquidity. We good. We just need that candle to close right here underneath that damn 21 EMA. That's it. That's all we need. And you already see that the 50 and the 21 are kissing each other right now too. That's all we need. But they're definitely trying to buy it off of it though. Let me look at the hourly chart on the ES because I'm tripping. I mean, that's still bearish, but I mean, the bulls can definitely get something going. They can definitely get something going here. And I definitely don't really like my entry. I don't like it. Because the bears failed right here underneath the moving average. They failed to take it lower, to use the moving average to move it down. They failed underneath it. And now the bulls are trying to find support at the 21 and 50. That's what makes this kind of a gamble because the bulls can definitely use this as support. You can see it right here. The value area low is right here at 53. But the momentum is to the downside. So that's the only reason why I'm going to stay in this. But I'm just waiting for this candle to close underneath this. That's all I'm waiting for. We didn't get that. I mean, okay, we didn't get it. All right, so how many points I want to give this thing? 4 points. No, I don't want to give it 4 points.
I'd have left it at 20. It would have filled me.
All we need is this candle to break. Come on, Bears. Break this thing, man. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. Break it. I mean, shit, this was enough, man. Like 47. Yeah, this was a 10-point move up. Okay. I saw what just happened. All right. It was a 10-point move. Where's that at? 56. All right. We just need this candle to close, baby. That's it. Come on. Close. Close strong. That's not a strong close. That's not a strong close. Man, a Bears job seems to never be done, man. Damn. Yo, it's crazy, man. Like the Bears have been shorting this thing literally for 2-3 hours now. Like, damn, Bears, shit. Get to where you need to go. Shit. God. All right. Wait, says stop it. Get some help. I'm not shorting the Nasdaq no more, man. It's not even worth it. It really isn't.
I
It,
am.
it really isn't.
Said I am. Damn it.
There we go, baby. There go that stop run.
Get it back in blood. Red, I want to see pain, fear in the markets.
Yeah.
Fear.
Dude,
Short.
I would just
Short
be
it.
back in profit here, dude. No way. I'm not ever shorting the Nasdaq again, man. I'm not shorting that shit. I would just be back in profit. At my break even, dude. No way.
And what? It does suck being a bear on the NQ though.
Yeah, it does, dude.
Get no respect. You get no respect. Dang, they get no respect.
Nope.
And then you get stopped out. Like, try to be smart with it, or you try to be cute, putting your stop. Oh, put it here, and you just get stopped out
Mm-hmm.
to protect yourself.
That's interesting. That's interesting. Maybe they'll go lower on the Nasdaq or on the ES. I just saw something. That potentially could be concerning. If 45 doesn't hold, we're probably going back down to 30, 33. We probably might be going back down here. Well, no, never mind. I'll take that back. Never mind. I take that back. 45 is going to hold.
but I love thank you. But I love her. I love her so much. She don't love you. Can't you see it?
But I love her though. I love
It's
her.
not true. Thank you's like, but we friends though. We're just friends.
The occasional business transactions where you give me all your
You mostly give me all your money. We friends though. Oh, what time is it?
Yeah, it's about that time.
10:15.
Whatever happens here, I'll be done for the day. I'm not playing this game with the Nasdaq or the ES. I'll be done. All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not playing this game. I'm not playing it because the Bulls aren't like, dude. The Bulls ain't letting this shit go. They ain't letting it go. Like, dude, it's crazy how the market like one day will be like trying to short this market to oblivion and get clapped, and then they turn around and then they go long and get clapped again. But then they just hold the market up. Like, yo. The Bulls ain't letting this shit go, man. They ain't letting it go easy. They are not letting this shit go easy. All right, that's it for me, man.
See that. See. Yeah, I'm just gonna take all your money. Take all your gains.
You said that's bull shorting. You talking about bull shorting in terms of getting stopped out of the market? Is that what you're referring to again? Wait. Thank you, running. Alfred, are you long or are you short right now? Alfred's probably long.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're long. Yeah.
Do, 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 do.
Yeah, it never is though. Like, dude, I don't know why you trade outside of it.
Stop me out.
All right, so who's more comfortable right now, the Bulls or the Bears? Who's piling in more right now, the Bulls or the Bears? Well, Bookmap is telling me the buyers are aggressively piling into this. And yet, even though they're aggressively piling into this, the market's not moving. We're not seeing any movement from all the buying that's happening. And coincidentally, the CVD is negative even though we're going up. At least on the ES it is. I haven't looked on the Nasdaq. Yeah, never mind. The Nasdaq is it's positive. Yeah, I mean, you just might as well just be a buyer on the Nasdaq, even if the market's going down. She only sells off every once in a while when the buyers get tired of buying. That's the only time she sells off, apparently. Yeah, that's starting to look really bullish on the ES. Okay, so 45 or 47, they front ran 45. It looks like that's what they did. Yeah, look at the hourly chart on the Nasdaq. That shit is super bullish right now, dude. Have you looked at the hourly chart on the Nasdaq?
I did.
I did.
But it keeps getting sold off. It keeps getting sold off. It keeps getting sold off in this area, though. I gotta try. Gotta try.
uh,
I'm gonna just take my $58 and call it.
dude,
See, it keeps selling off. Ah! It keeps selling off from this area. Where did it make it to? 59.
dude, I'm
That was
tired of this shit, man.
yesterday.
Dude, okay, dude. All right, make up your mind. Are you trying to sell off or what? Like, what are you trying to do? Shit. God.
This is lame. This is lame. Lame NQ.
All right, man.
Hella lame.
All right. So I mean, they rejected it off of. I mean, the Nasdaq. I mean, not the Nasdaq. The ES rejected. Huh.
I was just.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm gonna just leave it here at VWAP, and then.
Yeah, the Bulls are trying. Look at this footprint chart. Okay. Yo, the Bulls are definitely trying here. Like they're trying. Hmm. The Bulls
Yes,
are trying. They keep getting
still in
trapped.
that. He's still in that downtrend.
Mm-hmm. Especially on the ES. The ES has yet to break out of it
Yeah,
yet.
see that. NQ is just they keep selling at that area, but I'm
Mm.
like, I don't want to short it. Like I do, but I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Because the one time you short is like, okay, we decide to break out now.
We're breaking out now.
Size. Yeah, we're gonna break out now. We got him.
We got
Working off. We got him. He fell for it. We rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times. We got him now. 13th time's a charm. He shorted.
he bought.
Pump it. You know what? NQ. Give me my get back.
I don't know how. Well, I'm seeing different information on this one than on that one. Oh, no wonder why. He bought. Dump it. Hmm. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. All right. So the question is, was that the bottom? Was 47 the bottom? That's the question. Was 47 the bottom? And will 57, 58 be the top right now? The ES has to break back into this range and find support in order for this to be a real long on the ES. But with how bullish it's been, I guess I shouldn't be surprised that it front ran all that liquidity at 45. I shouldn't be surprised, I guess. All right, so let's see. This is where the bears got to come in on the ES.
Uh, nope.
This is where the bears got to come in.
Well, they are at VWAP, so they could be like, "Oh, I'm gonna take profit and sell off a VWAP."
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm the ES. I like to trade with what everybody's thinking. I'm not the Nasdaq. I don't like to overshoot. We long the top, baby. Need to lock this in while I'm talking. Lock it in. Lock it up. Here's what I'll do. I'll put this here.
Shit, that thing bounced perfectly at the 200. God damn it, dude. The thing bounced perfectly, man. I don't know why I keep going falling for that crap. Like the 200 EMA ain't the truth on every instrument that it's on. I don't know why. It bounced perfectly at the 200 EMA. Let me see if I can show y'all. That sucks. No, well, it's not on this chart. It's right here. I just moved this chart right here. Yeah, the ES moved. It bounced perfectly at this 200 EMA. God damn.
You got a resistance level at 47 or near.
Where on the Nasdaq?
Yeah, it's R1. They usually like to get to what, R2 or 3? What did I say? Say 2 or 3.
I mean, it could reject here at 250. It could. It made a 100% move, so we could see a rejection at 253. Dude, is this it? Is this it? Are we getting this short, mama? Is it shorting?
No,
Mm,
I'm only going up. Buster.
mm. Yeah, this is definitely a gamble. Let me see how this candle closes. It's definitely a gamble.
Yeah, and we'll just have to come in tomorrow and do the other two accounts.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we got
All right.
Powell tomorrow.
Yeah, we got power tomorrow. Okay. Let's see. Mm, mm, uh, we'll see what happens, man. We'll see. We'll see what happens.
Third time's a charm, baby. Push it. Push it. Oh, no. Push it.
They find support in this range, then we're about to get a breakout. We're about to get a breakout. We'll see if 660 is going to be that resistance. We'll see. Yeah, okay. Well, and this is why I'll never short the Nasdaq ever again.
Come on, NQ. You got this. You got this, NQ. It's probably gonna. Damn it.
Dude, is this a sell-off? Dude, is this it right here? Is that it? All right, but this at 61.
Chance.
I mean, if this doesn't sell off here, then this is going up. There's no more shorting after this. Thing's going up.
Or Mr. Nice Guy.
And then shit, if we do see a sell off from here, the question is, do they really go down there to S4 at 45 to buy it? Because the structure wouldn't even look, I mean, the structure wouldn't even look right if they did that. I mean, let's just say that they did sell this thing down and they broke this low. I mean, they did all that just to get that liquidity at 45, just to run it back up. It wouldn't even look right. Mm,
Mm, mm.
okay, we'll see what happens here. So the Nasdaq dropped at above that range. She took that liquidity above that high at 259, and she dropped. That's interesting. Well, it's past that time. I was hoping that this shit did I was hoping that the Nasdaq, I'm not the Nasdaq, the ES would touch 45 before my time. I got this rule in my funded account that anytime after 11 o'clock is prohibited. Any trading after 11 is prohibited. Pre-market is prohibited unless I have a pristine entry. I'm talking about pristine entry. My time frame is up until about 10 o'clock before lunch, and trading outside that time frame is prohibited. So unfortunately, if this thing does move to 45, I won't be able to catch it in my ES account or in my funded account. I'll have to wait until tomorrow. That's what we talking about, baby. Hey, when a bear sees a short, we short it, baby. You short or you long?
Nope. Can't trust the shorts.
I think the Nasdaq. I think the shorts happen because the one sign that you always got to watch out for is when price run away from a level. Price ran away from this level, so be mindful. It ran away from it. We'll see what happens here at the 50 EMA. We'll see. We'll see. I got like 5 minutes, and then I got to jump into this meeting. Yeah, I don't like the fact that it double topped here on the Nasdaq. And there she goes. There she goes. There she goes, baby. There she goes. Hopefully you short. Hopefully you
My
short.
gains! No, my gains! Give me back my gains, NQ. Not my gains. Boom.
We up, baby. We up. We up. We up. We up. Uh, hey, Game, where are you going at with Bitcoin? It looks like Bitcoin is in a downtrend, bro. Where are you going at with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is definitely in a downtrend. Well, I mean, depending on where you got in at, I guess. I guess. I guess.
Buyer should be stepping in about now. Right about now. About now. Okay.
Mm.
They don't want me to succeed today. Like, look at that. That would be so disgusting if they did run a 45 on ES
Dude,
in
that's what they
here.
always wanted, dude. It's crazy that they did this whole run up just to go down there. Now I don't even trust 45 anymore to go long. I don't even trust it. So this thing could be going like the 33-ish or something like that. Because it doesn't make sense because they break this. I mean, if they would have to tap 45 and then come right back up and close underneath or back above these lows, because that would technically be a break of structure if it keeps going lower. And then that means that the bears will short the retest here and we'll get it to go lower. So the structure on the ES don't even look right. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see. I mean, we got a double top on the Nasdaq. We got Powell tomorrow. I'm pretty sure the market just waiting for that Powell pump. And then we'll probably see like 285 or something like that. Mm. Uh, let's see what they do here. Let's see what they do. Yeah, you would just have to look at the candle and see like what the hell's going on, because I mean, okay, so this level right here is where I want to see them break below this level with some authority. They need to break below this level right here, because definitely the bulls can definitely come back here and try to buy this. We talking about, baby. We in the shorts we trust. The shorts we trust, baby. So the Nasdaq would have stopped me out just for my short to work. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice. Okay, so they did come back in at this level right here. So the bulls are trying, like we talked about. So we should expect the bulls to try here. We'll see if they're going to be successful. All right, let's see that stop run, baby. Let's see it. Let's see that stop run. I'll give this 5 more minutes. I'll give it 5 more minutes. Let's see it, baby. Let's end the stream beautifully. Come on. Let's end it beautifully. And so I would definitely have to look this up. Probably like 40. Like, yeah, probably at the top of this range. They'll probably come in at the top of this range, probably. But I can't trade my funded account past 11 o'clock, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to wait until tomorrow.
Did you set that in there?
No.
Did you Oh, that's just your code you're going by.
Dude, that's what's been getting me the payouts, man, following these stupid rules. So
Yeah.
I don't like it. The
Of course not.
I don't like it. I like the payouts, but I don't like how I'm getting them. I don't like it. I don't like it. But I gotta follow the rules. Because if I don't follow the rules, the one time I don't follow the rules, it's gonna get ugly. And you know I ain't gonna close it. and that account is definitely going to be in jeopardy. So I need to make sure that when I get into a trade, the odds are on my side. And after 11 o'clock, the liquidity dries up. The market moves further than what it usually would due to low liquidity. And so you can sit in a position for a long time. And after 11 o'clock, you don't have that much time left on the clock. So even though I hate it, I mean, that's the reason why I got that rule that I need to have all day just in case I made a mistake. The good thing about the ES is that even if you long the top here, and we talked about this last night, you can make mistakes on the ES. You can make a lot of mistakes on the ES, a lot, and still be successful. If you long this top earlier in the session, you see how many times she gave you break even? You see how many times she gave you break even? She gave you about 4 or 5 opportunities to get out at your break even if you long this top. And that's why I trade exclusively in the ES on my funded account, because it's so much room for error. And at the same time, there's no need for the error in the first place, but the error is there. And on one ES contract, you only lose $1,000 on 20 points. And you know she ain't gonna move 20 points. You know she's not gonna do it in one shot. She's gonna give you plenty of opportunities to get out of your position. So that's why I prefer to stay in with the ES when it comes to my funder side. But I will trade the Nasdaq in my other accounts for sure. Because yesterday we talked about how the bulls were trying to aggressively short this bottom right here at the bottom of yesterday's move before they all got clapped. Like, look at all this selling aggression. So all the sellers down here that was selling this thing aggressively got clapped and was never given an opportunity to get their money back. They just got clapped. And if they stubbornly tried to scale into this shit, well, they got super clapped. Super clapped. And they came back for seconds. They got snowfalled. Yeah. That's who the Nasdaq is. That dude from Snowfall. Like, where my money at? Where my money? Where my money? Where my money at? Where my money? All right.
Yo, that was pretty graphic.
Yeah. Like, dude, where my money at? It's like, bro, you ain't had to do all that, bro. You ain't had to do all that.
You really didn't. That was, yeah, dude was doing way too much. Way too much. Like, dang. Oh, are they gonna bounce it here again?
Dude, they're going for it makes no sense for them to bounce it here, dude. They have to touch 45. But at least well, let me rephrase that. It's highly likely they should touch it. Oh crap. Okay. All right. Let me do this.
You gotta go.
Yeah. I gotta go. So I'll just take this right here if it gets to me. Because I don't have the patience to sit and watch this. But all right, guys, I gotta get into this meeting. Hopefully, our guys was able to make some money with us. And with that said, peace out, everybody.
All right, y'all.